Well, cyber activists across the world are marking Safer Internet Day today. Their aim is to spread awareness of how you can avoid being hacked or taken for a ride online. Our correspondent Pierre Fitter gets you expert tips and tricks to stay one step ahead of the bad guys.
Today is Safe Internet Day, so as you begin to spend more time online on computers or on your smartphones, it's probably also a good time to learn how you can stay ahead of the bad guys. We spoke to some experts, including a hacker, to get you the best tips. We spend almost every minute of our waking lives online, posting photos to Facebook or tweets on Twitter, updating friends with all kinds of personal information. So it's time we took our online safety more seriously.
Whatever you post online is accessible to anybody and everybody around the world compared to what you would think. Hackers can get access to your email accounts or banking accounts if you have weak passwords. And that's what they use to steal away your money and identity.
Net banking is the other big safety threat to citizens. Millions of dollars have been stolen from consumers and corporations, with banks reporting hundreds to thousands of hacking attempts every single day.
So far as online safety of these things are concerned, I would strictly say never use your card and credentials on a public machine. Two, never share these details on email even with your family members, because if your email account is compromised, then everything is gone.
The best way to keep your account safe is a feature called two-step verification. Entering a second passcode each time you log in takes a few more seconds, but it protects your account even if someone gets their hands on your main password. Virtually all web services from Google to Twitter have this feature, so don't forget to activate yours.
If you look at example of Facebook, Twitter or Google or Gmail or Microsoft, all of these big internet companies have now started providing this two-factor authentication. So in that case, even if your password gets stolen or gets compromised and gets known to someone, so when that person will try to get access to your email or social media sites, he will not have one-time password because that will come personal mobile phone.
So let's sum up the simple steps you can take to stay safe online.
That you should have strong passwords. That would be the first key for anything you access online. Never leak out information or share information to strangers. Always use antivirus software on all your devices, including smartphones, and never respond to emails which offer you millions of dollars, because these are phishing mails.
So on Safer Internet Day, stay safe and happy surfing. With Vidya in Mumbai.